This is a 2023 Cadillac Escalade, and we're gonna get it sideways today.
Whoa, 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 that's not the play.
Dude, I thought we were insured for this. This is a 2023 Cadillac Escalade. Check this out. These are 22-inch Vossens wrapped in 35-inch Nitto. So looking at this vehicle from the outside, I kind of feel short. So the camera's up in the air?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, that's sick. So this Escalade has everything from the amazing AKG stereo system, power liftgate, and power rear seats, heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats, front and back. Even with this vehicle being as large as it is, it's quite maneuverable because you can see everything from all your cameras. The amazing 360 camera system in here allows you to get into tight spots without damaging anything. This is a custom 3-inch lift from ReadyLift that maintains the factory magnetic ride. If you want to stand out from a crowd, this will help you do that. Now, if you do want to pick it up, it's available right now at Audi Winnipeg. I am Trevor. Let them know I sent you. Bye.